Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I wanted to give a try this time at I guess you could call it like a sunburst. So I've been doing kind of those tie-dye paintings, ringing the colors around and blowing them out. And another recommendation was to try one as a sun. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have some colors in mind. I don't know if they're gonna work or if they're gonna be a little bit too light, but let's experiment and find out. Let's paint. All right, hello everyone. I can't stop making these. Somebody needs to call help. Oh, I really like them. I don't know. So I'm gonna do another starburst. I'm gonna do again a recommendation. Someone said sun colors. So I'm just popping some air bubbles on the top of the paint here. I thought about this for a while. I didn't know if I wanted to do the red going to the yellow or the yellow going to the red. And I decided on the red going to the yellow. I keep second guessing myself like every few minutes. But if this one doesn't turn out, I can just make another one the opposite way, right? Or you can. So I'm using, forgot my orange over here. I'm using colors that I made. So a Pyrrole Red and Carmine mixed together, a gold that is Creative Inspirations and Winsor & Newton. I'm using a yellow that's like 4 different yellows mixed together. I'm using a yellow gold, and then I'm using orange. So I am gonna start with the white in the center and not too much. Just a little spot that will blow out. And then again, for the starburst effect, I'm going to kind of layer my colors and then put the white and the gold in the middle to create, hopefully, the cells. You could do this without cells. You could use maybe a gloss medium or leave out the metallic and blow it out without cells. All right, so I'm worried that this red is gonna go, okay, so I think what I'll do is do gold next to the white. And this part I do let touch whatever color's in the center. And then I think I'll do my red. So hopefully I won't get as much pink, because that's what I was trying to avoid. Okay. Then I'm going to go with this orange, which is a cadmium red and a cadmium orange and a naphthol red mixed together. I have really been enjoying mixing my own colors. It's just been, there's so many more colors out there than you actually think of that come in the tubes. I wish I had a little bit more orange to go around this side, but if it's a little bit uneven, who cares? So now I'm gonna go this color, which I think will be very pretty. And then last will be my yellow. And yellow, whatever I have left on the corners to get there. I haven't had an issue lately with making it to the corners, but okay, used up all those paints. That is great. Except for the red. Oh, this is always the issue. Okay, I'm gonna do white. Oh, I didn't want the white next to the red. I just said that, didn't I? Oh well. We'll see what comes out. And I'm gonna do white here. Okay. And then I'm gonna do gold here. Kind of finish it off, maybe around the corners. Okay. Doesn't look like much right now, but it will. I hope. Gold right there. Okay. Maybe one more thing of gold right in here. We'll have this be a super shiny, fun one. Okay, used up all my colors. Exciting. Now let me pop my air bubbles. These give me a super tie-dye, just, I don't know, just a fun feel. Okay, here we go. Gonna blow it out. So before I start, I am starting my blow dryer like right here, halfway through, and then just blowing, air swiping straight towards each angle. So I don't want to blow this way all the way over. I want to start a little bit into the white already. Okay. Well, it is a really pretty palette. It's just not, I like it, don't get me wrong, but exactly what I thought would happen. The red and the white mixed to give more of like a pink color. The gold is a little bit muted. So if I did this again, I think I would leave out the yellow gold, go with the brighter orange, and start with the yellow in the center. So I think that is what I will do the next time around. Now, when I'm blowing these down this way, when you blow, you're gonna have like a pool of paint that comes right here. So what I do is I start halfway over that the next time and blow that section. So I'm constantly kind of pushing the paint around the canvas, if that makes any sense. And then here, if you want to kind of change the shape and make it more circular, you just touch and drag your finger on along. Make sure you clean your finger off as you go. But see, you can just kind of touch. You could even pour, I wouldn't pour any, but maybe just like add a touch more gold there. I'm happy with it the way that it is, but if you wanted it to come in a little bit, that's how I do that. Make sure you clean your finger off. Get around on this side. There we go, and see that closed that circle in just a little bit more. And then as long as your table is dry, it should stay in that shape. Okay, so I'm gonna let this one dry. It's gonna be actually very pretty because the gold is very shimmery. But again, for what I was going for, I layered my colors just a little bit off. But I'm gonna try it again and we'll see. All right, let me show you the wet result. So much softer palette than I was anticipating, but there is the center. It's really pretty. Those cells are just gorgeous, and I think they're gonna dry really well. And I actually like the cells that are going down the side like this with the gold. But yeah, just not quite what I was going for. But I'm gonna try again, maybe reverse the colors. I don't know. You guys can let me know if you're getting tired of these already, or I love them and I love the color combinations. So also, okay, so this one got a little bit wonky. I know the things that I'm gonna change for the next one. So the gold, I don't know if you can see it, but it does, it lights up, it's gorgeous. The red and the white mixed too much, I knew that was gonna happen. My orange, that yellow gold kind of took over because it's an opaque color, and my actual bright orange kind of got lost. So I definitely know what I'm gonna do different next time, but I think this one's a really soft color palette, and it is still very pretty. There's the sides. And there's that center. And all the lacing. It's just gorgeous. So there you go. I'm gonna keep experimenting with different colors and different techniques. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.